Hello everyone, this is Tech Perfect, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert Mkv to MP4. So, I just created two folders. I called this one testing folder and I called this one testing folder 2. So, in this folder we have a sample of Mkv and we can check it out. It have the size of 126 megabytes and length of half minute. So let's click on this. Okay, as you can see, this is an Mkv sample. It's in 4K, but I can't really record this because my recorder is just 180p. So yeah, anyways, we want to convert this video into an MP4 because MP4 is the most supported format, or whatever you want use it for. So we want to create a copy of this file, and it should be MP4. As you can see here, it's Mkv, and yeah, this dot tells us. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know how I did that, just here, file name extension, you should check this box, because if you don't, you see it doesn't show you the type here with the dot. Anyways, we can get into this directly. Okay, so what we're gonna use today is OBS. OBS is what I'm recording with right now, this video. As you can see, this is the voice bar I am talking from it, and this is the file. You click here, this is where it says Remax Recordings. This means it's the tool to convert a file to a file. We click on this one, and this one pop up, and yeah, let me clear all this, and it should appear like this when you download it for the first time. Yeah, and you click those three dots to go to the testing folder we've just made. So I've just made it in desktop and it's in testing folder. I click in this one, and yeah, I click open. And now the target file, it says it's gonna go to the testing folder, and we don't want that. We want to keep the Mkv, or you won't. I don't really care, but it's up to you. And yeah, I just want to convert it to this folder, so it make a converted copy of that Mkv file, and you click save. And now, last hit, we click Remax, and as you can see, it's really fast and it doesn't require a lot of time. Even 1 GB, 10 gigabytes doesn't really take more than some minutes. Anyways, we go and check it out. This is the testing folder 2, and as you can see, it's here. It's the same one. We open the other folder, arrange this one like that. And yes, looks good. This is the Mkv file, and this is the MP4 file. Yes. Anyways, we firstly check this one. Focus with it. This is the quality of it. Okay, we stop here and we go and see this one, this converted one. And I think there is no much change in the quality, and it's almost the same. And congratulations, you've learned how to convert an Mkv file to MP4 file within minutes. So yeah, just download OBS Studio today and use that Remix recordings too, and you can convert the Mkv to Mp4 at any time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment, and I see you in the next video. If you are going to follow more of my computer tutorials, see ya later.